Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to install Google Chrome offline installer. First of all, you have to visit web4pc.com site and search for the Google Chrome offline. Here's the link to install offline setup for your system. So here you are. You can get the links both for 32-bit operating system and 64-bit operating system. I'm using 64-bit, so I download the 64-bit Google Chrome setup. Then download now. It will already started downloading, and you have to just keep this file. It should be of 49 MB. As you can also know, while installing Google Chrome, you just have a internet connection to installing uh, Chrome on your system, and it should also take some time or internet to install it on your computer system. By using offline installer, you can easily install Google Chrome by just setup. So thank you so much for watching this video.